One, fall.
Owie. That hurt. Guys!
Oh!
Whoa, this is crazy, guys.
Guys, we got a skull here.
Lost. There's a dart.
No!
That's crazy.
I forgot how to get out.
Down, sway side to side.
Don't let me die!
Creaking? He's dead, guys.
That's right, too. Let's get out of here.
Okay. Jesus!
I'm seeing
This is the way out, guys. This is the way out.
you're escaping.
Look, look. That's the pod. We gotta get out. The Taliban! The Taliban! Going on another epic adventure.
Right on me, this is crazy.
That's crazy.
Oh, come on, give us an interview, don't kill us.
It's fine. Sir? Sir? He's dead! Bone pop it? Crazy. This is the way out. Okay. Guys, it's Herbert the pervert. He's standing there menacingly. Where's this goofy goober? Also standing there menacingly.
Hang on. He's dead. Yeah,
Creepy hole. Guys, we are getting out alive. You literally almost left it behind. That's our beautiful pod right there. Otherwise known as Belle.
I'm fine, guys. See, I'm fine, you know? I mean, I just stumbled. I was a little preoccupied, so, laugh.